I liked how it covers a lot of different aspects of the digital media industry. I was surprised how much we learned and gained and experienced. You get to work with video, with photography, front end and back end. Employers know that people coming out of Algonquin have that hands-on practice. For example, in my program, we were working. So when we went out in the industry, we already had that habit of doing things. I actually got my job before I graduated, and from there on, I never had an issue finding a job given the skill set I had. Currently, I'm employed at Algonquin College in marketing department. I also teach part-time. It's really a fun job. One of the main reasons I wanted to work at Algonquin is the staff. They're very helpful. If you are looking for a career in digital media, this program is the best because it covers all different things that you need to know. Based on your skill set and your background, you can really make a career out of this one program.